We are pleased to show you the 2017 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor, front all-season tires, rear all-season tires, rear-wheel drive. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.